Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, or just welcome back. And today my mother is going to unbox her new shoes from Minnetonka moccasin. So are you ready, Barbara?
Mm-hmm.
Here you go. You just open the I opened the tape, so you can just open the box. We wanted to get her a pair of light colored shoes, and the Minnetonkas fit her well, and they were having a big sale, so these were like half off. Ooh, they're pretty. Very nice. We wanted something like a lighter color because she has all dark ones. And it's eco-friendly, and it's like a recyclable, I think it's made from like recyclable corn husks or something. I hope
The corn will be
I hope what do you call it, like birds don't start to follow you as you wear them. And they're lined with like sort of a soft material, and then the bottom is like a sneaker material.
That's great.
So these just work really well for her. All right, let's get the other one out. Okay. All right, so now let's try them on.
Oh gosh.
Yeah. Oh gosh, is right. Let's see if I can do this with one hand.
That's where the murder is.
Yeah. So unfortunately, her feet tend to get a little bit swollen.
Oh.
So I hope that this size fits.
Yeah.
And you might have to have like a thinner sock, but I hope not. So wait, push forward.
How much thinner could it be?
Wait. Push it forward before you push down. This is really hard to do with the. Let me try and put this down. Okay, here. Push. No, not push. Don't push down. Just push forward. And now, is it getting in?
Yep, it is.
Oh my God! You need a shoehorn. I think this is. You need lighter. You need lighter socks. I think.
I don't know.
Yeah.
That's that.
I don't know. Does it feel comfortable?
Yeah, it feels okay.
I don't know.
Right.
I think you need lighter. It does. It looks. No, it's not really. Your foot isn't down all the way.
Really?
And yeah, and this. I think they were just whole sizes, and people said it like ran true to size. So I got the 8.
Yeah.
So, it's always a challenge. I don't know. I wonder if I should have gotten. Well, there's room up here.
Yeah.
I wonder if I should have gotten the 9. You think?
No, I don't think so.
Maybe we should try like a thinner sock. All right, well, let's try the other one. Do you know which foot is bigger by any chance?
No.
All right, wait. So don't push
Shouldn't they be
down.
the same, sir?
No, usually this one's a little bit. All right, wait. Push forward before you push down. Wait, no. Push forward, not down. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You just want to get your foot all the way forward. Wait. Now push down.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I think you definitely need a thinner sock.
Thinner.
Yeah, a thinner sock.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll try them with a thinner sock, but you like them?
Yeah, they're nice. Very nice. Don't you think so?
Yeah, I do. I think they're perfect for summer. And like even, spring, summer, and fall. I don't know, winter. Well, although they're lined, so
Yeah. They look
but
nice
I think
on us.
and they look good with those pants you have on today. The outfit actually. Well, you know what, we're gonna put a lighter sock, and maybe you'll wear them because we're gonna go out. So maybe you'll just wear them like that. All right, thank you everyone. Bye. Well, somebody likes the shoes. I predicted, the corn husks would attract Bird, but the cat's extremely interested. And her fur is going to be all over them because she's a long-haired cat.
Oh, that's all right.
Oh,
It doesn't
Dolly.
matter. It's not my math.
Dolly. Oh, my goodness, Dolly. Well, I'm glad they have your stamp of approval. I guess they're not getting returned now because... Oh, my goodness, Dolly.
She figures when I'm not wearing them, she can.
Right. Oh, she's so cute.